Yes, the very first example is here on the board. Let's read what is that. Consider the numbers 4n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value for which ends with digit 0. What does it mean? It is nothing but check the number. What is the given number? 4n, right? Given 4n, and where n is a what number? N is a natural number. As you all know, the natural number is nothing but counting number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, what is that? Check whether there is any value for which ends with digit 0. It means to end any number with 0, what is the rule? That is nothing but the divisibility rule of 5. For example, if you see here the number 50, if I ask you whether this number is divisible by 5 or not, what you will say? Absolutely yes. Why? Because we know the divisibility rule of 5, that is nothing but in any number, a number contains the last number as 0, the last digit at 0, the number with divisible by 5. So that is what they are asking. Is there any value for this 4n which ends with 0? That means no. Why? Because what is the factors of 4? We know that 1 4s are 4 and 2 2s are 2. Here 4 1s are 4. These are the factors of 4. Now here what they are asking, is there any value for which ends with the digit 0? No, absolutely no. Why? Because to end with 0, we should have the factors 2 or 5. Then only we will able to end the number with 0. So that is what here the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. So here 2 is there but 5 is not there. So that here no value is there for 4n to end with 0. So what are the value of here n? Is nothing but 4. N is equals to 2 into 2n. As you all know, here this is in which form? Square form. 2 2s are 4. 4n. So there is no value for which ends with 0, and this is the example 1 of the chapter real numbers.